Looney Tunes, nursery rhymes.
In the meadow bright and green, all the animals can be seen. Pal a rabbit hops so quick, so light, bouncing morning, noon and night. Doe the birdie sings a song so sweet, tapping time with tiny feet. Yeah, join the parade, clap and play, we'll sing and march the happy way. Belle the cow says moo so slow and low, chewing grass where daisies grow. The kitten purrs and softly plays, chasing sunshine all the day. Yeah, join the parade, clap and play, we'll sing and march the happy way. The pony trots with clip-clop sound, prancing gently round and round. The duck goes quack beside the stream, splashing water in the gleam.